Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we are gonna create this whole glam look today, and this is actually a recreation of Malvika Satlani's look, and we are doing it for the giveaway. So, I hope you guys like this. So, I'm gonna start with my moisturizer. I'm adding my Nika's Stroop Cream in it. Now I'm taking my favorite back zero pore separation cream. Now I'm taking my dark corrector. This is from Alley Girl. It's in shade Fawn. Now I'm taking my Fit foundation. What I'm gonna do is I'm taking it on my plate and I'm gonna add my serum to it. Now I'm taking my lighter concealer. This is from Maybelline Fit Me and I'm in shade medium. I'm doing this to brighten my high points and my under eyes. Now I'm taking my cream blush and I'm taking my brush. This is from Pack Cosmetics. So what I'm doing is I'm taking all the way near my hairline. This is gonna like uplift your face really well. Now I'm taking my MAC compact. Now I'm gonna comb my eyebrows. This is my all-time favorite eyebrow palette. It's really affordable and it works amazing. Now I'm gonna take my NYX Perfect Filter eye palette. I'm gonna take this now. Now I'm taking my Mellow Cosmetics. Now I'm taking a little bit of golden from the NYX palette. Now what I'm doing is I'm gonna deepen my crease and just blend all the things out. Now I'm gonna take the same colors and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm taking my Maybelline Colossal mascara. I'm taking my Maybelline blush palette. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me. Now I'm taking my hoola. Now I'm taking my Forever 52 highlighter. Now for my lip shade, what I did is I mixed 3 colors and I took all of the MAC lipsticks. I took 3 shades, that is Lady Danger 607, Ruby Woo and Taupe. So, I always do this. I always mix stuff and I just love it. So yeah, I'm done with my lip. Because of mixing different colors, you just get a new your old lip shade, and I love doing that. So this is my final look. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna write all the product details on my description box below, so don't worry about that. And I hope you like the look, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram.